What's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration. We got this matte purple Range Rover, and this is not plastic dip. This is actually paint with a matte clear coat on it. Had to film it over here at the gas station because it got dark on me kind of quick, and the customer's coming to pick it up. The vehicle was all black when it came in. We also did the vents, the door handles, all the emblems and everything are matte black as well. We also did the headlights and the grille in the matte black. John Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. 757-713-2277. Huh? Yeah. It got dark on me kind of quick, so I had to come over here under the light. Appreciate it, man. One thing about that matte, everything casts a shadow on it. Once again, Big John with John's Restoration. 757-713-2277.